Uh-oh. If anybody wants a cat, she is for sale. Her name is Luna, and she's bad. She doesn't listen to nobody. And you better stop.
Excuse me, children. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, too close, too close. Back up. What about you, sir? What are you doing?
Don't touch me. 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 Don't touch me.
I'm laying in the bed right now and I'm just like, maybe I should get out the bed and go do something off the bed. But I realize if I get off the bed, I'm going to be out there doing nothing when I could just be doing nothing in the bed.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Cooter kisses.
I love you. Good morning. Good night. Yep.
What's cute?
Cutest fucking thing you've ever seen.
I love you a good mama?
He's so fascinated by it. He's too curious. Curiosity killed the cat. You understand if you wax it, the candle's going on the ground? Did you get that? Oh my god. Oh! Did you get it?
Hi, baby.
I'm not baby.
Oh, hi, big girl.
Hi, mommy.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Ow, stop.
Mais mec, tu reviens d'où avec ça, gros? Mais
Ow! What the? Oh my god! Can I have my eat breakfast in peace? Look! Oh my god!
Luna!
Listen. I got something I gotta do. No. No, you go back. You go back. No. You go play with your brothers and sisters. Go in. Go play. Go play with them. Go play. Go. Shoot.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Sophie, give mommy her pants. These are my pants. They're not your pants. Give me my pants.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
Are you kidding? Where am I supposed to sleep?
Sleep on the couch.
Come on, no. Chase, move over. No. Why? Why is it always me? Come on, move over. Just move a little bit to the side. Like, God, fine.
Listen in, catch. You catch, you super step.